In this question, we're given a graph with some points, and we want to know the relationship between x and y on that graph. So we're looking here, 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 and here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pen here, and I'm going to look at the coordinates of each of these points. So I'm going to make a little table here for x values versus y values. So let's look at the first point. If we look at the first point located right here, then my x value is a -1, and my y value is 10, 11, 12. So I got a -1 and +12. For my next point, I've got an x coordinate of 0 and a y value of 9. So 0 and 9. For the next point, I've got a x value of 1 and a y value of 6. Then I've got an x value of 2 and a y value of 3. Then I've got an x value of 3 and a y value of 0. And I've got an x value of 4 and a y value of -3. So what kind of relationship do we see taking place in this table? So every time our x value goes up by 1, what happens to the y value? Because we've got a +1 increase here each time. And that's paired with a decrease in the y, because we see the y is going from 12 to 9 to 6 to 3 to 0 and then to -3. So it's going down 3 each time here. So let's read our statements here. We have, as x decreases by 1, y decreases by 3. We know it's not a because x is not decreasing. So as x is decreasing by 3, again we can rule out that it's not decreasing. We have, as x increases by 1, y decreases by 3. So over here again we've got that +1 increase, that -3 decrease. So our answer here is C.